Yeah, you Gaza fans are so freaking stupid. You guys have the IQ of a damn cockroach. I swear to God. You guys really, really do. You guys are really dumb. Cunts. Okay, coming on a bad man post talking shit. Bitch. And Cartel, your sons are trash at music. While you were behind bars withholding my music to release your son trash, was it all worth it? Nigga, you not Bob Marley. Your sons aren't talented. Let's be honest. And Shauna, bitch, go suck a dick. Because that's all you'll ever be good at. You will never be good at music because you are not what? Talented. Okay? And what's that fish name that in your crew, Mad Sis, whatever the fuck his name is, bitch, go suck a dick too. Last but not least, Alkaline better than you. In your face, bitch. You fucking stupid cunt. Give me my money. You never paid me for any of the songs that I did for you, you stupid asshole. And Saddam has been taking big black dick. Since you were behind prison, she was taking black cock. Her friend told me. Just saying.
Alright, boom. Viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute up on the beat, and as you can see, on the screen. Yeah, Vybz Kartel ex-girlfriend not done with him bumbleclout, you know, because she want her bumbleclout money and she could give one rats behind her both to them. And no, the kids them a problem. Yeah, she had this up the youths them because she is very in her feelings because she want her money. And you know, them now release the songs and all of these things for them to get on. You know what I mean? You don't know the things that Vybz Kartel promise a bag of dolly. You know, things when them there a prison, I know them there a road, and them not live up to fame and the bargain, you see me? With the concubine them, but when it comes to Shorty, you know, it might fulfill fear destiny, and she is here to let the haters them know. She open at the sky. I look down upon bad mind because baby daddy buy a big mansion, you see me?
You are worried about me. You know, so me I live good. Me I live good in a mansion. Go me not to pay no rent. I'm not paying no bills. Big up to my baby father will make me comfortable. How about that? Them a worry about the wrong thing. Me no need to come prove nothing to no internet, because internet not pay my bill. Yeah, but that's the truth. I'm humble. I'm not have nothing to prove to nobody. I bet them go and talk. Meanwhile, them attack. You still don't gonna count money. Have things. I'm not a fool. Because my baby father who not like that got dead. Them be glad to me not hype, I'm not show off. I'm just humble. I'm have things to hype about. But I don't need to do that. I'm not have time for trouble people. When them talk, the more them talk, and the more God bless me. I'm like that for me. Listen. Because my son them and my grandkids them, I say from them good, be great. You are
What? What about it? Yeah, but who put it down there?
I think you should put it down.
No, who put it up there?
You said to put it up here.
No, you said to put it up there.
Alright, I'm going to get it changed because there's another one that needs to go up. I'm going to put the charger in.
Tell him what?
To bring the plaque.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell him now. Are you watching me?
Yeah, one burner done, in a problem. As you can see, I love quiet days with my baby. Although she annoying sometimes because she said to put the picture up there. Now she don't like it. So I did it. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Anyways, happy Sundays. You see what I say? So all the cartel women them have houses and that's good a look. You feel me? Let's proceed to the next. Okay, peeps, the next trending story Mr. out of Jamaica have to deal with dancehall princess Shenseea because them said a girl go out at the Davido and Chamora wedding and aura out herself. Meaning she try to outshine you know, the wedding girl, you feel me? Because they're saying the type of dress she wore was inappropriate. You see, my people putting at the comment section where you think about that because, you know, it's Alexa going, you know. A $200,000 going, you know, my peeps. You see it. I'm not going to say it's not inappropriate because it's a beautiful dress. Maybe she should have worn like a floral dress, you know, to make her look more bouncy. Because, you know, Shenseea short, you know. You know what I mean? So she should have wear like a more floral, you know, bouncy dress to make her look more light. I mean, I know, you know, you see me. But that's what the people them is talking about. As you can see, this is the gown in question. I don't know if this is in US dollars, but it says 200,000 US. You see me? Anyway, let's proceed on. No, dancehall artist Spice nearly get arrested on her birthday and deported on her birthday weekend. Yes, all of this took place in her Greece. And, you know, for the grace of God, she didn't. And she is thanking, you know, the officers and, you know, the fans and everybody that she did it, which is him.
Besties, stop where you do want to talk about this real quick. I'm not going to share the good things and not share the bad things. You never know, say me take up myself and go to Greece and nearly get locked up. Me nearly sleep at jail. Me nearly get deported from Greece. So Beck will get into it and talk about this real quick. I mean, I had nothing from the besties. I'm going to be very vulnerable and share my moment. So you know, girl did that man to go be for besties weekend. So me well take up myself, well excited to girl I go to Greece for your birthday and I was going to leave Montego Bay to New York. How come me first reach on the plane? This never happened yet in a history. And when me always a run down plane and I me last always aboard the flight. Anybody who know me know say my name always a call over the intercom. Girl first the plane well excited. See me Jamaica flag they say girl I go take picture. So I went from Montego Bay to New York and I was gonna leave from New York, go to London and from London to Santorini. Well, on the flight, I look on food, say, girl, I go on with herself. I was so excited. Big up to the person that I went with because they held it down for me. But let me tell you, girl, me not gonna tell you the lie. You never know, say me take up myself when me reach a London, say, me a go a Santorini, well board plane and them let me pan plane and well excited. You know, when I look through the window, we start to praise and worship a little bit and I give God thanks because, you know, girl, this is why it's important for you to say prayed up. So big up to Father God himself. Jesus, it's all because of you. Me I go give you honors and praise because Father God let me in the country. Besties, make me get into it. Me never did know say look most for my birthday. Me get deported from Greece. Me will a vlog reach a Santorini and never know say look most me not reach outside. I was so excited for this trip and so anxious. It's just by the grace of God while it really, really happened for me. You never know say me land and reach a Greece after go through so much different flight and airport. When me look, you never know say a police come pick me up when me reach a immigration. The man them flap. The people them call police for me. What a way me take up myself gone we are Greece and go through so much and visa never valid. You never know say the visa never start until August 12 and me reach a Greece August the 5th. Well reach at the people them country too early. Me move my blood clot. Me never see this from my man. No. Me have to big up them two police officers, yeah. Big up to Costas Constantinos. I hope I got the name right. But I have a profound gratitude to these exemplary and distinguished officers. Send them an email and tell them to big up themselves for taking care of the Queen and letting me into Greece. And an emergency visa, of course. But don't try this at home. Big up to the Greece Police Department. Hey besties, let's talk about this beautiful hotel called Kalido that I spent my birthday. First of all, I saw this on Instagram. I said, I forgot it for my birthday.
This is the world's most unique hotel and it's called Kalilo. So Kalilo is located on the Greek island of Ios and it's famous for having some of the most incredible hotel rooms in the world. The property only has 35 suites, but no two rooms are the same. As you can see,
So yeah, girl reach at the place and just feel nice and comfortable for your birthday. Let me talk about the aesthetic, the ambience, the atmosphere, the love in the air that you feel from the moment you enter into Kalilo. Like, this is just something to talk about. I'm gonna ask you, the whole place, like, this sanctuary is like a living canvas where architecture just whispers in the sea, and every wall is just adorned with words that speak to my soul, like overlooking the ocean, from the multiple different pools, from the sun-drenched stone pathway to the gentle sway of the breeze, the ambient. No, sir, I'm gonna go down in that poetry something because I tell you, my birthday was one for the books. And besties, let me tell you, they had a little secret getaway, like a little hidden cave, and that cave, yeah, you go down and do the look nasty something them, yeah. When I ask you, I say my birthday nice. I can't even stop talking about Kalilo Hotel, I would definitely recommend this. Like, I'm giving it 100 out of 10. Not 10 out of 10, 100 out of 10. Kalilo was just Kaliloing, okay? It was just something to talk about. I walked around this place and I could just feel the love that was built, like everything. Girl chuck off and go on with herself in another place, yeah. It's fitting for a queen when me tell you. Yeah, my birthday was something to talk about. Let's get into the room, because when I say place nice and clean, no rat, no roach, no lizard, no bat, nothing in there. Nice, clean. Oh, baby, but go out myself for the bed, you know. But I ask you. But the bathroom, you know, girl, I go always into the bathroom. I have to talk about the bathroom, because yes, a girl have to fresh up and, you know, fresh and clean. Yeah. And so me go on and me defend it. The nigga like good. Yeah, what about something? But I just wanted to show you this beautiful hotel, and I will definitely recommend it to anyone and everyone. If you're going to Greece, make sure you head to Kalilo Hotel, okay? Tell them that Spice sent you. The staff, oh, superb.
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. Anyway, people, we're not going long on this no longer, you know. I'm going to do a review on this that you see on the screen on my dancehall story channel. So make sure you subscribe to all of my channels. Hit the notification bell and press all, for you be notified whenever we drop the latest in our dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Now, if you know that you've done that already, just make sure it's still on, because you know YouTube be playing games with you and turning it off for whatever reasons. You know what I mean? Bless.